Hi, you are welcome in IoT learning series. Today we will make a project that is IoT based smart dustbin. So let's start this video. We will just make a circuit on Proteus software and also we will implement the project physically. So the component required you have to keep along with you. So first of all just we need to open Proteus software. So here Proteus software is open. You have to just create a new project. So type here the name of your project, that is IoT based smart dustbin. So the name has been written here. So finish this pop-up and a workspace will be created for your project. Now as we have discussed earlier, we have to move in component mode, so we can just search here for our required component. First of all you have to search for node MCU. Here you will get an option for that, so click on OK. Now again we required ultrasonic sensor. Here you can see this is ultrasonic sensor, so click on OK. Now we required buzzer, so click on OK. Again we required GPS module, so add GPS module in your device list. So the requirement of component is completed. Now we will just place the components in workspace area and we will implement the circuit for our project. Now we require to place ultrasonic sensor here, that is we have placed. Again we need to place GPS module, and after that we need to place here buzzer. So as you can see the circuited portion we have to complete now. Let's make it zoom in so that you can see it very clearly. Now it's time to just make connections. So we will just connect the trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor with the pin number T0 of node MCU. So here this is connected. Now we will connect echo with pin number D2. So the connections with ultrasonic sensor is completed. As we have discussed earlier, you have to connect 5 volt and ground to the power supply of node MCU. Now we will connect buzzer on pin number D0 of node MCU. So the connection is completed for buzzer. Now we need to connect ground of buzzer to the ground of node MCU. Now let's make it zoom out so we can make connections very easily. Now we will connect D3 of node MCU with TX pin of GPS module. So here the connection is completed for TX. Now we will connect D4 as RX pin of GPS module. So here the connection is completed. Now you have to make the same connection physically on your hardwares. So here I have completed my connections as I have designed on Proteus software. So you have to make connection exactly as I build up in Proteus simulation. So now it's turn to just move to the programming portion. So we need to open Arduino IDE software. Here the code I have designed for this project. Let's explain the project code. Here some of the part I have explained earlier in the previous video or earlier videos. So here you can see this is the IoT platform credential, and here software serial. You will get these credential from Blink IoT platform, I will explain later. Here software serial, that is help you to communicate GPS module to your Node MCU board. Again, we have defined here pin for ultrasonic sensor. Here you have to just give the SSID password for Wi-Fi to communicate the Node MCU board to the internet. So here the pin configuration you have to create for setup. The logic behind this project is ultrasonic sensor will measure the distance of, as you have cleared out it earlier, I have discussed about this. The ultrasonic sensor will just measure the distance of object when we will put the garbage in dustbin. So the distance between ultrasonic sensor and garbage will reduce. So it will just show the status of ultrasonic sensor and dustbin also. So the logic I think is now clear to you. So in this way I will just measure the distance of last garbage to the ultrasonic sensor, and we will take the data of ultrasonic sensor on virtual pin 3 of Blink console, and we will, here we have used widget, that is LED. When the ultrasonic sensor sense that there is no vacant space in dustbin, so it will just show you the red color and it will start to blink. Now along with that, it will just read the data of GPS and it will send you the latitude and longitude on virtual pin 1 and 2 respectively. So here the programming portion I have explained. So you have to write the same code. If you are changing the pin configuration, so you need to change the code here accordingly. So let's scroll once again code, so you can just write in your Arduino IDE software. So this is the code I will use in our Smart Dustbin. Now it's turn to just move in IoT platform to configure our project. So open your browser now. So when you will be logged in Blink IoT platform, you will get this home page. So you have to use your credential to log in. Now you have to just create a template for your project. So click on add new template. Here you have to type the name of your project, that is IoT based Smart Dustbin. So we will write here Smart Dustbin. So this is the name of our project. In hardware section we have to choose ESP8266. Now click on done. Again we need to move in data stream. So you have to click here add new data stream, and from this pop-up you have to choose virtual pins. Here we will write longitude. As we have made our program according to that, we have to choose longitude on the pin number. Here we can see in the program I have chosen longitude on virtual pin 2. So we will write here, you need to choose here virtual pin 2 for that purpose. So this is written now. You have to choose here as string as data type. Now you have to write here some default values. So click on create. So longitude has been created. Again we need to create a data stream for latitude. So we will write here latitude, and we will choose a pin that is V1 for latitude, and data types I have to choose string, and here you have to type some default values. So click on create option. So latitude has been created. Now we need to just create another data stream, that is dustbin status. And we will use dustbin status, that is we will take the ultrasonic sensor data on virtual pin P3. So here you have to type maximum value as 100, so it will show you in the percentage, so we will write here 100. Now we need to just create this. So here the data stream has been created. You have to add one more data stream, that is lead, or you can say alert. For alert we have used virtual pin, that is V4, so you have to type here V4 and click on create option. So the all data stream has been created. Now we need to move in web dashboard. Here we required some gadgets, that is you will find in widget box. So first of all we required label. So you need to drop two labels, first for longitude, second for latitude. So here we will choose latitude first, so click on save. Second we will choose for longitude, so click on save. So two labels has been created here, first for latitude, second for longitude. Now we require lead. So here you have to click on three dots, it will show you a pop-up. You have to click setting, and here you have to choose for alert, and you need to choose a color. Here you can choose any color, so I will choose red color. When the dustbin will be full, so it will show you an alert with the red color. So click on save option. Again we required gauge. In the gauge option we will be able to see the status of dustbin, so click on setting, and from data stream you have to choose dustbin status, so click on save option. So here the setup for your display of blink console has been created. Now click on save option, and again you have to click on search option. So here you will get an option to add new device, so click on add new device. From template you have to choose the project which we have created, so click on create option. When you will click on create, here you will be able to see the credential related to your IoT platform, so click on copy, and you need to just paste these credentials in your program. So replace these with your new one, and again copy this authentication code, and again you have to paste here. So the program has been completed. Now you have to connect your hardware, or you can say node MCU board, with the help of data cable to your PC. So this is connected now. Now you need to just upload this code. So from tool option you have to choose port, and again you have to click on upload. So the code will be uploaded in your node MCU board. Along with that, you can see here initially your device is offline, and when the code will be uploaded in your node MCU board, it will show online. So wait to upload the code in your node MCU board. Here you can see the code is uploading now. We have to wait until finish this. Here you can see the code has been uploaded successfully. Now we will move in Blink console. As I have told you earlier, when the code will be uploaded and your node MCU board will be connected to the internet, it will show you the status as online. You can see here it is showing online. Now you have to click on here your project. You can see here the dustbin is showing as this is the status of your dustbin. initially you can see the dustbin is vacant as 100%. Now this is our hardware. You can see now, if the suppose this is the I will assume my hand as garbage, and when I will put our hand near to the ultrasonic sensor, it will show you the status. As you can see now, if we are placing our hand near to the ultrasonic sensor, the dustbin status is going to low, and when the dustbin status will be very low, that is there is no space between dustbin, so it will throw an alert and it will buzzer will start to beep. Let's demonstrate this. Here you can see, if I am moving our hand, so dustbin status is going to be changed. Now you can see, when there is just no vacant space, that is below 5, there is we have put a label that is below 5. When there will be the status of dustbin, so alert will be going on. You can see here the dustbin is full now, so you need to replace the dustbin with new one. So here our project is working very fine. So the video is completed, and thanks for your patience.